Hello friends, welcome to my channel Craft Canvas. This video is a tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on Teachers' Day celebration. This project will show how to make a simple wiper card, also referred as slider or pop-up card. For this I am using white and dark pink thick sheet, ruler, scissor, quilling needle, glue, white and green 5 mm quilling strip. Here I am showing the steps to get in this project. We need 2 numbers of white thick sheet in this project. The sheet is taken as 20 by 10 cm. Putting 2 marks from the left edge at 2.5 and 5 cm towards right of this sheet. Now mark with same measurement at the bottom part as you see here. Creasing by inkless pen. If you wish, you can use a ball tool. Crease at 2.5 cm distance has done. Now I am doing next crease at 5 cm distance by same method. Creasing work is finished here. Doing a zigzag folds upon crease. This is a cut piece of pink thick sheet of 5 by 7.5 cm. We need 2 cuts. Marking 2.5 cm at both edge from same corner as shown in the video. Need to do the same for required 2 cuts. Thereafter, making a crease by joining those points using inkless pen as earlier. Now, making the fold over creased line, but both are oppositely folded. Marking 2 points on both creased lines at a distance of 5 cm from bottom. A line is drawn between the created points. This pink thick sheet to be aligned with the marked line, then be taken at shown point by gluing in triangular fold, as shown. This will work in this way, just like a wiper. This another part is to be prepared just like earlier one, but in this case the pink wiper to be placed upper portion. Follow the video. Gluing the outermost crease of the card's panel. This is most vital part of this project. Always be alert about alignment. After fixing, it is hard to realign properly. Placing the panels one upon another, keeping wipers at inside. Follow the video. This magenta thick sheet of 14 by 9 cm used as a background for decoration and to be pasted on the card panel. Here are some pre-made and pre-assembled items. Here I am showing you only one single petal and leaf by quilling one strip of 5 mm. My earlier video showed in details procedures of making these items. You can see my earlier videos to learn more. The 3D shape is given through quilling tool by pushing the teardrop shape outward to get an emboss. Securing the layers by adding glue. Assembling 4 petals of teardrop shape for a flower. Making a leaf shape from loose coil. Making a vase design so that outline of vase drawn on a blue A4 sheet and cutting out the shape. After getting the vase shape, it is attached to card with aid of double-sided tape. Artistically arranging all the flowers on the card to look beautiful by gluing. All the flower petals are going to be placed on the card in right position, and the vase already has been placed. Forwarding remaining work now. Maintaining the decency, arranging the stalks and leaves in the way that it looks appealing. Stalks are dipped into glue before fixing on the card surface. To beautify the flowers, rose gold stones are used. These pattern papers are cut by the size of 1.5 by 9.5 cm used to decorate the card. Pasting it on the side of the card with glue. Printed message can be used, but hand sketch suits best for this theme. The scripts are pasted on wiper. This is the working demonstration. You will definitely like this wiper card.